In this video, I'll break down my top 5 board games, my experiences, and which board games I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked board game, and at the end of the video you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best board game and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the board games, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have Jumanji Deluxe. Jumanji Deluxe offers an immersive adventure that captivates players with its interactive electronic unit that guides the game with sounds and a timer, adding a thrilling urgency to every turn. The game rules are straightforward, making it easy to dive into the action. Each player chooses a character and embarks on a quest to reach the center of the board, facing jungle hazards and riddles along the way. The electronic centerpiece is the star of the show, providing random challenges that keep players on their toes. This game is a hit for family game nights, appealing to a wide demographic, especially suitable for children aged 8 and up. It encourages teamwork and strategic thinking as players must collaborate to overcome the game's obstacles. The blend of physical board game elements with digital interactivity creates a unique experience that stands out in the world of board games. At number 4, we have Uno. Uno's simplicity and fast-paced gameplay make it an incredibly engaging card game for players of all ages. The objective is straightforward. Be the first to discard all your cards and shout Uno when you're down to the last one. With a mix of numbered and action cards, the game can quickly turn competitive as players reverse, skip, or force others to draw additional cards, adding a strategic layer that keeps every round unpredictable. It's suitable for ages 7 and up, making it a family-friendly option that can easily adapt to younger players by modifying the rules. Uno also encourages social interaction and can serve as an icebreaker, bringing together people from diverse backgrounds. Whether it's the thrill of playing a wild card or the tension of calling out an opponent for forgetting to say Uno, the game guarantees laughter and lively competition, making it a timeless classic in the world of card games. At number 3, we have Monopoly. Monopoly is a classic board game that excels in teaching strategic financial management and negotiation skills. The objective is to bankrupt your opponents through property acquisition and development. Players roll dice to move around a board, buying or trading properties and developing them with houses and hotels. Rent is collected from opponents landing on your properties, which can be enhanced for higher fees by building more on them. The game ends when all other players have gone bankrupt. Best suited for players aged 8 and up, Monopoly combines luck with strategy, making it engaging for both children and adults. It's particularly enjoyable for those who thrive on strategy and deal-making. The rules are straightforward but allow for a variety of tactics, ensuring that no two games are exactly alike. Monopoly is a great choice for family game nights, offering a mix of fun competition and educational value in financial planning and negotiation. At number 2, we have Connect 4. Connect 4's enduring appeal lies in its simple yet strategic gameplay, making it a hit across generations. The game involves 2 players, taking turns dropping red or yellow discs into a grid, aiming to be the first to align 4 of their color in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. This objective, while straightforward, requires foresight and tactical blocking of the opponent's moves, offering a depth that belies the game's simplicity. It's suitable for ages 6 and up, providing a fun and educational experience that enhances critical thinking and planning skills. The game's design is robust and travel-friendly, with a built-in release slider to reset the board, ensuring quick replayability. Connect 4 is a versatile game that engages children, yet remains challenging enough to entertain adults, making it an excellent choice for family game nights and educational settings alike. At number 1, we have the Taco vs. Burrito. Taco vs. Burrito is a delightfully engaging card game that offers fast-paced fun for a wide range of ages. Created by a 7-year-old, this game is simple to learn and quick to play, typically lasting about 10 to 15 minutes per round. It's perfect for 2 to 5 players, making it a versatile choice for family game nights or parties. The game involves strategic thinking, as players use action cards to disrupt opponents' meals while trying to assemble the most valuable dish themselves. The artwork is vibrant and humorous, enhancing the overall playful experience. Taco vs. Burrito is ideally suited for children aged 7 and up, but its strategic elements also provide entertainment for adults, making it a great option for mixed-age gatherings. Overall, it's a compact, portable game that promises laughter and lively competition. So that sums up my top 5 board games I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.